Hey y'all, welcome to T-Ham141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time, welcome back. Hey, I just wanted to show you the Piggly Wigglies. And I have got a lot of work to do out here picking up. So please forgive the mess. Alright. We got, these pigs are getting a lot bigger. Aren't you? Aren't you, babies? Getting a lot bigger. We got these pigs way early. We got them back in March. We usually don't get our pigs that early, but these were already, what was it, 3 months old or something? So these will go in late July or early August. Not sure which. Let's see. I got the automatic water hooked up, which is just this tote filled with water. It runs through a hose here, hooks into the back of that, and then I don't know if you can see it down there. There is just an ordinary float valve down there. There is no pressure on it. There is no power. In fact, I think the hose is kind of kinked. But water seeks its own level. So as long as there's water through there, there's water in there. That water is going to seek its own level. And then, you can see, I think you can see it better from over here. Yes, we are, okay. And then I just have it cut, the open in the front. And then you have the automatic feeder, which is running low. These pigs are eating so much more than we're used to. Number one, I mean, it got down to 30 degrees here last night. So they're eating to stay warm. And we're going to put a concrete slab. And since these pigs will be going to freezer camp in late July or early August, I am going to put a concrete pad after they're gone from this fence, probably 6 or 8 feet, all the way across, so that the food and the water are up on that and they'll have a place to lay. You can see these pigs are also, look at that, that's feed. These are the messiest pigs we've had to date. Aren't you? You're the messiest pigs I've had to date. Just a disclaimer for those of you who may have heard me wrong. I am not dating my pigs, but I have had to this point. These are the messiest pigs I've had to this point. Not that I have had to date. That would be weird and wrong. And look at this. They got feed out here. All the way out here. The chickens love coming here. Now the sun is out today. The sun is out today, so even though it's a little on the chilly side, swing it back this way, hook that. There are my babies. There are my babies. Boy, oh boy, I'm hoping some of these are starting to get quite some tails on them. I'm hoping these are all hens. I mean, I can deal with a couple mistakes. You're going to be a darker color, aren't you? You're going to be a darker color, maybe. Hey, babies. Check out my video. I'll put the link to a card up here of these baby chicks, the escape artists, what they do when we're not around. And see, they can see the other chickens, and the other chickens can see them. So this is just an awesome way. Hopefully it will cut down on the pecking order that they have to go through when I integrate them. And this is the main flock. Oh, I don't want to think about culling these guys. I love these guys. They go. Got way too many roosters. And the hens have cut back on laying. Oops, sorry, girl. All right. Hey, y'all, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so you get notified every time I come out with new content. And guys, let me know. Let me know if you want to see more of my animals down in the comments. I enjoy the comments. I answer every comment. At this point, I can still do that. Right now, I am like 10 away from 1,500 subscribers. And guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and feed these guys and make sure they got plenty of water and all that good stuff. YouTube's got a video right down here that they say you're going to like because of what you watched before, and I have a playlist up here all about all of my animals. All right, y'all have a great day, and God bless.